Hello everyone, I am Madhumita. Today I am going to speak about augmented reality and virtual reality. The UK augmented reality AR and the virtual reality VR sector is a pioneer in the digital revolution with the fastest growing market in Europe. The terms virtual reality and augmented reality get thrown around a lot. VR headsets such as the Oculus Quest or Valve Index and AR apps and games such as Pokemon Go are still popular. They sound similar, and as the technologies develop, they bleed into each other a bit. But they are two very different concepts with characteristics that readily distinguish one from the other. Virtual reality. VR headsets completely take over your vision to give you the impression that you are somewhere else. The HTC Vive Cosmos, the platform via the Oculus Quest, the Valve Index, and other headsets are opaque, blocking out your surroundings when you wear them. If you put them on when they are turned off, you might be think you are blindfolded. When the headsets turn on, however, the LCD or OLED panels inside are refracted by the lenses to fill your field of vision with whatever is being displayed. It can be a game, a 360-degree video, or just the virtual space of platforms interfaces. Visually, you are taken to whatever the headset wants you to go. The outside world is replaced with the virtual one. For both games and apps, virtual reality supersedes your surroundings, taking you to other places where you are physically doesn't matter. In games, you might sit in the cockpit of a starfighter. In apps, you might virtually tour distant locations as if you were there. There are tons of possibilities in virtual reality, and they all involve replacing everything around you with something else. Augmented reality. Whereas virtual reality replaces your vision, augmented reality adds to it. AR devices such as the Microsoft HoloLens and various enterprise level smart glasses are transparent, letting you see everything in front of you as if you are wearing a weak pair of sunglasses. The technology is designed for movement while projecting over whatever you look at. The concept extends to smartphones with AR apps and games such as Pokemon Go, which use your phone camera to track your surroundings and overlay additional information on top of it on the screen. AR displays can offer something as simple as a data overlay that shows time to something as complicated as holograms floating in the middle of a room. Pokemon Go. Project a Pokemon on your screen on the top of whatever camera is looking at. The HoloLens and other smart glasses meanwhile let you virtually place floating apps, windows, and 3D decorations around you. Basic AI that overlays simple information over what you are looking at can function perfectly fine. 3D OF. However, most AR applications require 6D OF in some from tracking your physical position so the software can maintain consistent positions for the images it projects in 3D space. This is why the HoloLens uses a stereoscopic camera and advanced pattern recognition to determine where it is at all the times, and why more advanced AI centric smartphones use multiple rear facing cameras to track depth. Augmented reality has nearly limitless possibilities. Phone based AR software has been recognizing surroundings and providing additional information about what it sees from for years now, offering live translation of text or pop up previews of restaurants as you look at dedicated AR headsets such as the HoloLens can do even as more, letting you virtual place different apps as floating windows around you. They effectively give you a modular multi-monitor computing setup. Currently, AR is only widely available on smartphones and does not have the vision augmenting aspect of enterprise level AR displays. This means AR is still very limited until a consumer AR headset is released. Difference between AR and VR. Virtual reality and augmented reality accomplish two different things in two very different ways. Despite their devices, similar designs. VR replaces reality, taking you somewhere else. AR adds to reality, projecting information on top of what you are seeing. They are both powerful technologies that you have yet to make their mark mark with the consumers, but show a lot of promise. They can completely change how we use computers in the future, but whether one or both will succeed in anyone's guess right now. Thank you all.